Most data engineers hit a hard ceiling after about 3 years. Your salary flatlines, you stop getting promoted, you start to think the solution is to learn a new tool. And you think, if I just learn Rust or Iceberg or whatever the latest streaming framework is, I'll get to that staff engineer position. You are dead wrong. I have hired and fired a lot of engineers over 25 years, and I can tell you exactly why you are stuck. It has nothing to do with your Python skills. It has everything to do with where you sit on the curve. Let me show you the roadmap that actually determines your paycheck. This is the engineer's maturity curve. It maps your confidence against your actual value to the business. Most of you are trapped in phase 1 or probably phase 2. Phase 1 is the tutorial hero. This is where every junior starts out. You have high confidence because you just built a pipeline that works perfectly on your laptop. When I review a junior's code, I don't see an asset, I see a liability. Why? Because you code for the happy path. You haven't seen a production fire yet. You require 10 hours of senior supervision for every 1 hour of work that you do. If you are here, your goal isn't to be right, it's to be safe. Stop trying to rewrite the architecture. Just try not to delete the production database. Then, we hit phase 2. Reality hits. You break production. The data's late. The CFO is screaming down your back. You fall into the trench of despair. This is where 80% of engineers get stuck. You feel like an imposter, you're stressed out, you're working nights to fix pipelines that keep on breaking. Here's the trap. You think the way out of the trench is coding harder. You try to brute force your way out with better syntax, but you can't code your way out of a process problem. If you stay here, you end up burning out. You become the grunt work guy. You never reach staff. You probably never hit a senior position. So, how do you actually climb out? How do you become the senior staff engineer who really creates the architecture and has a seat at the table? You have to shift your mindset from syntax to strategy. The junior asks, how do I build this? When you're mid-level, you're asking, how do I fix this? The staff engineer, they're asking, should we even build this at all? My best engineers write the least amount of code. They spend their time designing systems that are anti-fragile. They focus on recovery, legal risk, cloud cost. They're spending time with stakeholders as well as getting more insights from what is truly needed in the business. They don't get paid for typing, they get paid for their judgment. So look at this graph. Where are you at? If you are a junior, stop doing tutorials. Go find an open source repo, find a bug, and fix it. Learn how messy real code works. If you're stuck in the middle, stop acting like a firefighter and start acting like a fire marshal. Don't just fix the bug, write the post-mortem so it never happens again. And if you want to be staff, stop looking at the code, start looking at the bill. If you can save me $50K a month, I don't care what language you write it in. Confidence is a trap. Competence is a quiet, boring grind. If you want to survive this industry, stop trying to steal good. Start trying to provide real value. Now, if you want to know the biggest errors that people are making in Databricks right now, check out this video right now.